today we are going to start the topic harmonic rhythm. So what is harmonic rhythm? So in grade 4, what we're going to learn about harmonic rhythm is that how many types of harmonic rhythms are there. In grade 4, they have explained us about three types of harmonic rhythm. One is regular, one is static, and one is irregular. Now you can read in the first option over here, you can see that the harmonic rhythm describes the way a chord progression moves below the tune in a piece of music, whether the chord changes quickly or slowly, regularly or irregularly. The type of harmonic rhythm that a composer uses can really affect the moods of a piece. In a simpler way, there are three types of harmonic rhythm. One is called the regular one. Now, what regular one is, it changes once in a bar. This is one thing to remember, that this changes once in a bar. Okay. Now, the next one you can see over here. If you see uh, this one, you can see this is changing one. This is first one. Then this is the fifth one, dominant one. Then again one. So it changes once in a bar. So in bar there is only one chord playing. If this is time is 4 by 4, that means on the strong beat it plays for the 4 beats. Okay. Now the second one we have is called the static harmonic rhythm. You can see here for 3 bars it is going, but then the fourth bar it is changing, right? But you can see they've written here that here the harmonic rhythm is static for 3 bars. The chord stays the same for 3 bars, even though the composer built up the tension by raising the pitch of the notes in the tune. So here maybe they have doing the tensions up and down in the tune here, in the rhythmic tune, but in the harmonic rhythm, if you say, they have static at least for 3 bars. So that's why this is a static rhythmic bar. Okay. Now the third one is, you can see, uh, which is called irregular to start with. Here the harmonic rhythm is irregular to start with. So you can see the rhythm is starting here. This is the first one, and suddenly within a bar we have the fifth one. Okay, then again in the next bar again it changes to first, and again within the bar they change to fifth. So that means this is a irregular. This is, they are not static as well, and they are not changing in each bar. Within a bar they have been changed. Okay, so they have become faster, as you have learned earlier. So the harmonic rhythm is irregular to start with. Okay, so let's move on to the exercises. Let's do the exercises first. So if we go, let's just do the first exercise. So they have given us, describe the harmonic rhythm uh, in the following music. So you can see here within one bar there is only one chord. There's in the other one there is only one harmonic. In the one again one. So that means this is a regular. This is our regular harmonic rhythm. Okay. Now the next one, if you see, so you can see within one bar they are changing. Within one bar they are changing it. Okay, so this is our irregular irregular harmonic rhythm. Okay, let's move to the next one. The next one, you can see they are static. They only meant each bar there is one harmonic chord over here, and they are same. So this is our static harmonic rhythm. Okay, next we move. So you can see they're starting off, you forget about this, but if you see here, they're starting with one, but then again within one bar they have again two changes, then again one, then again two changes, static. So this is again a irregular. This is our irregular harmonic rhythm. Okay. Now let's move on to the next question. So next question says, how does the rhythm of these tunes differ from the harmonic rhythm? Okay, so you can see they have given the rhythms here. Okay, and how does these rhythms are different from these harmonic rhythms? Okay, so let's see in the first example you can see the harmonic rhythms are very regular, but the rhythmic tone is going faster. Okay, so you can see the rhythm of the tunes moves faster than the harmonic rhythm, which is regular. So if you go to the next question, so if you see here, you can see that the rhythmic tune is also slow, as you can see the harmonic rhythm. But you can see the harmonic rhythm is very irregular because they're changing within a bar. They're changing within a bar in bar 1 to 4. But in the bar 5 to 5, 6, 7, 8, within 9, they are static. And even the rhythmic tones are static, you can see. So we can write over here that uh, the rhythm uh, of the tune moves along with harmonic rhythm, which is irregular and static. Okay. Now the third one, the last question for this exercise, you can see this our the harmonic rhythm is stays same for the two bars, but then they're changing in the third bar, and then in the fourth bar they are doing very changing within the bar two chords. So this is irregular rhythm, and you can see this is going very fast. This is harmonic rhythm is slow, but here this is going very fast. So you can say the rhythm of the tune moves very fast than harmonic rhythm, which is irregular. Okay, so here we finish our this topic, and I hope you understood it. If you have any questions, just let me know in the comment section. Okay, so now I will see you in the next topic. Till then, thank you.